Who's on the wall? Did you find pictures of Sissy on the wall? Is it Grandma's wall? The whole wall's covered in Sissy pictures. Who is that? Holly. You are so cute. Say, smack, smack. Smack. Oh, baby tired. Oh, God, you whacked me. Oh, sweetie. You sit down. What's that? Hey, Bug Bug. Do you see Holly pictures? Whoa! You finally burped! What did you do? Did you finally go burpee? What did you do? Hi, mister. Say bye-bye.